Here we go. I swear every poker run goes past here. Hi guys, Dave here for Big Jeepers Garage. And you know, today I'd like to address a problem that a lot of Jeepers have, especially if you drive a JK. A lot of fellas out there driving these, and one of the first things you realize just a few months after you have it, you notice that you start to get a condition that we refer to as the saggy sack. I don't know how to tell you about this or how to describe it. I guess I'll just have to show you. All right, so you put all kinds of stuff in these little nets, and after a while, they're kind of saggy. They don't hold too much stuff. Here we go. Don't forget to come to Bantam. I'll be there, the wife will be there, more than likely the Comanche will be there. But this one, look at that. It doesn't go back up like it used to. When it was new, that thing stayed kind of tight. So what do you do about it? I'll tell you what I'm doing about it is I'm replacing with this product called JK Pockets. Now, these guys have been selling these for a little while, and they come in some nice colors. All this is a piece of plastic. It's firm. It never sags. Imagine if you could have this. But never mind. It keeps its shape no matter what you stuff in it, and it holds pretty well. I've got the other side installed. I couldn't believe it took me like longer to get my tools out than it did to actually install it. They'll send it to you. They'll give you one of their little stickers. Slickrock Gear. They sell other things, and you can buy these in 2-door or 4-door. 2-door comes with 3 pockets, one for your center console, which I have no intentions of replacing because I can't reach anything that's in there. So I never put anything in there other than maybe my wallet on a long trip. But no, I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this real quick. All right? Let's go. First things first, we're going to take our little side cutters here. You're just going to start in and pull this nice and tight and clip it as close as you can to the side. Now you can use scissors if you want. You don't have to use side cutters. But if your wife doesn't want you doing that, you have to dig out your own tools. Now, as you can see, these are woven and they get slack each time, so cut one at a time. See, took me longer to prepare for this and set up than it is to even do it. Super simple. Don't forget, each time you snip one, go down and grab only one. See that? That's not even pulled out of there. That way we're not getting any excess of net left over down in there. There's a little bit, well, as long as it tucks back in, it'll be fine, but back over here and start at the top here. we go. No more saggy sack. All right, now to install these, you basically stick this side in and the bottom in, a little bit at a time, because you have to flex it to get the back part in. Let's start with the bottom. Take the top section, pull it back, and it'll shove in. It should have. There we go. Start with the top. I don't like that. That way, when I spill something down in there, you can get it right back up. To clean. Oh, look at that. Now it's going. There we go. Went in that time. But this one won't go back all the way. It'll go back eventually. Or maybe I'll have to trim it. We'll see. The other side went in really good. Might be something in there. But that's all it is. All right, guys. Go get your Slickrock gear. Don't run around with a saggy sack. Have a nice day. Click like. Comment below. Make sure to subscribe and follow along.